So let us proceed to chapter 10, which is the experimental design. So we have here our learning objective. So after the lesson, we are able to define experimental research and describe when to use it and how it developed. Then identify the key characteristics of experiments. Then state the types of experimental designs. Recognize the potential ethical issues in experimental research. Describe the steps in conducting an experiment. And lastly, evaluate the quality of an experiment. So these are our expected learning outcomes after we discuss or after we finish talking about chapter 10. So let's proceed. So what is an experiment when used? You use it and how did it develop? So in an experiment, you test an idea or practice or procedure to determine whether it influences an outcome or dependent variable. So the experimental designs process, so decide an idea with which to experiment, assign to individuals to experiment it, and have some experience something different, then determine whether those who experience the idea or practice the procedure perform better on some outcome than those who did not experience. So, experimental, so of course, nandiyo tayo control group, ako tayo itong butang intervention, sama sa atong lesson sa statistics, mundo mo atong blinding effect. So, wala sila kabalo nga, kung parte sila sa experiment, same exam ang atong giconduct nila, pero ang isa ka group or ang isa ka section, kaya ito silang gitagan ng intervention such as maybe gamification para may murag mo enhance ang ilang capability in solving math problems. Dili sa experiment kay ang mga intervention atong test if napa siya gamit ba jud or sadyang dili siya helpful kay mura siya hinig kanang trial and error di ba mura siya trial and error kay experiment man of course na may experiment na kabalo jud ang si outcome. So trial and error jud siya, it's either it will work or not. Dayon, when do we use an experiment? So kung saan mo gamit yung experiment? Use to establish probable cause and effect. So, between independent and dependent variables. Then, control for all variables that might influence the outcome. So, katong mga variables or mga interventions na itong mga sunod na itong group na atong experiment ay maka-affect mo dun siya sa kuan ka ng at maka-affect mo dun siya sa kuan gini ka lang murag outcome or sa mga tao natin experimentan kay kasi hindi ito itong intervention kay dili din siya maka. So, used when comparing two or more groups, of course. Dili man kung pwede ka mag-experiment if one group lang mag-experiment, di ba kay wala man takabalo kung kuan ba ka ng kana atong kay kung wala control group, makabalo dito niya develop mo pero kuno. Kay di ba process step by step good lang. Pag man wala kay control group, makabalo dito na di siya i-follow man. That or wala man. So, natay making casual inferences ay 4 criteria. First is casual relativity. Can compare between effects of one cause and another. So, mura siya to compare between effects of one cause and another man. So, cause diri and cause dito, how they compare to kung sa i-different nila. Then, casual manipulation, each participant can potentially be part of the intervention or control group. So, dili siya ayon ni mo test man ay kani siya dili ra ka di ba sa katong sa blending di ba dili man ikaw feeling in sa kuha na tong experiment of dili pwede ta magamit og fishbowl method na atong ilang gamit sa group para wala koy bias. Then temporal order, cause comes first and effect second. Okay? Then elimination of alternative explanation. What else may account for relationship? Then, excuse me, when did experiments develop? So, psychological experiments, it was developed late 19th, early 20th century. So, these are maybe years from 1850 to 19 something since 19th and 20th century. Okay, we are already in the 21st century. So, procedures for comparing groups, back by McCall 1925. Then, statistics for comparing groups, like chi-square, so katong mga statistical tools. Then, identification of types of experiment design, Campbell and Stanley, 1963. Types of basic designs and threats, Cook and Campbell, 1979. Yes. So, and complicated experiments with many variables since 1980. So, grabe sa akong research ever since sa una. Pero noon, sa wala yung research. Wala innovation. Wala innovation. So, mas tawag na sa tsaka itong mga time na kasi ginagawa sa EDNA, itong sa curriculum, wala siya naguna-una og innovation. Wala siya nag-research ang experiment. Kay maybe andun karon na Japan sa nomadic living, di ba? Then observational studies by Rosenbaum 2002, I'm sorry. And so let us proceed to what are the key characteristics of experiments. First is random assignment, then control over extraneous variables, then manipulation of treatment conditions, outcome measure, group comparisons, and threats to validity. So the first one is, random assignment. So randomly assign individuals to condition or groups. Random assignment equates groups and distributes variability among conditions. And different from random selection probability sampling. So kaning random assignment, dili na siya random selection na pareha sa quantitative na kung ikaw depende og kinsay mo magbutan siguro and yung makasabot. So dili abi random assignment pareha sa quantitative. So it's different. Natay sunod na to is control over extraneous variables. So ang definition sa extraneous variables influences in participants selection, procedures, statistics, or the design likely to affect the outcome and provide an alternative explanation of results than what was expected. So, kanina mga extraneous variables, pwede na siya ma-equate over mga kanang intervention. Okay, makausog man siya o na it influences the participants man. So, pwede na siya mga other factors ay except for intervention. Maka-influence man siya. Makausog siya. Maka-provide siya of alternative explanation of results than what was expected. So, kuhan siya kanang ug sa kuan pa natay og central hypothesis ug natay atong alternative hypothesis. So silbi ang extraneous variables wala siyang alternative hypothesis. Then random assignment for participants before beginning the experiment. Then other control procedures, pre-test and post-test, coverage, then matching participants, homogeneous samples, and blocking variables. So we have the pre-test and post-test first. So we all know that pre-test and post-test is before and after. So dili man ta kabalo sa pre-test kung unsay standing sa itong mga experimental, kung unsay lang basic knowledge, unsay lang balan ng daily. Then sa post-test, doon na ta makabalo if ang intervention nato sa atong experimental group is working ba o naba siya dako nga effect na makita yun mo na mas improve ang experimental group. Marami na siya diba sa test na reliability. You're giving them the same exam afterwards with katong sa isa naira siya intervention, katong isa kan wala intervention. Then here. So katong muna to akong i-explain kanatay diagram sa intervention, pre-test to post-test. So nandiyo sa itong ang intervention kaya alam po sa una, di ba? So kung saan man ang pre-test before group. So nandiyo sa itong ang intervention. Then let us proceed to coverage. So coverage. Variables that the researcher controls for using statistics relate to the dependent variable but not the dependent variable. Removes the variance a covariate and a dependent variable to assess the variance between the independent and dependent variable. So ang covariates kay makarelate siya sa dependent pero dili sa independent. Dahil it controls using statistics.
That's instrument try to look at the diagram given, di ba, dependent and independent variables. So, ang yung variance ay kato siya iyang nasa nga. Where in here, in the dependent, between the dependent and the covariates, iyang po ang variance na naasa kumain niya. Matanaw sa so, muna siya more on so controlling for covariates.
So sama diri sa ilalog na diagram no sa tulo ka sample. So ang example sa independent variable kay type of distribution ayun rates of smoking and parents. So ang depende sa classification sa dependent variable mo ang coverates. Okay,
Yung variance.
okay, paano yung variance? Yes. Matching matching of participants. So matching, identifying one or more personal characteristics that influence the outcome, assigning individuals to that characteristics equally to the experimental or and control group. Then, for example, gender, beta score, individual abilities. So, naantay matching process based on gender. Nadali
Figure 10.2, tanaw sa experimental of control group. Si John nasa sa experimental, si
si Joanna.
and so on and so forth na siya.
Ano siya ba? I-match sa, so hindi siya random kay, murag, yung mo siyang gikuan sa, siguro sa characteristic siguro. Pero ako mo siya niingon na random, di ba?
Equally man siya, equally.
Kasi dito ka ibutan niya sa matching. So basically, matching job siya. So muna siya tago, yan mo niya ang variable. So, yan match.
Okay, next is
Homogeneous sample. So homogeneous samples, selecting people who vary little their personal characteristics. Example, assume students in two classrooms randomly assigned to the treatment or control are similar in terms of characteristics. Only assign junior grade level students to the two classes. Practically, may be unlikely or hard to achieve. Yes, because of
kung
juniors.
homogeneous sample mo, unlikely na siya to achieve, hard to achieve because
Kasi, depends.
hindi kayo mo-compare. Yes, you can homogeneous na in terms of ano, pero naamang each student or each individual has a unique characteristic of one. Nara dyan sa part na hard siya to achieve. Mag-reason lang, yes, makabalik ko nga. Pareha sila yung ani, but there are difference between them. There is unique characteristic between them. Pero siya hard siya.
Kung kasi, kung saan mo siya pag,
Yes, they
naliling ma-identify mo siya, homogeneous siya.
Always selecting people who vary little in their personal characteristic. As in homogeneous, same to sila. Maybe
Kasi kung ano, I think homogeneous
Kung saan
ka
ka
tribe sa pag-tribe, di ba?
Pwede.
Sa pag-tribe.
pero now, sa ila ka na-apply each individual.
Pero dapat yun define bilang
More siguro if mato ka itong perspective dito mo gawa sa homogeneous campus na usa sa rapat na ito does not mean na usa sa batasan pares sa perspective pares na bayan. So next. So is blocking variables. So blocking variable the researcher controls before the experiment starts. Controls are dividing or blocking the participants into subgroups or categories. Then analyze the impact of each subgroup to an outcome. So blocking variables, so atong i-group or subgroup ang isa kang community. For example, sa Dumaguete City, then ayang pwede natin subgroup is ang mga barangay or kung dili mo ato pa ta sa lain nga level barangay or rocks kay para mas gagmay siya og kuan. Okay, lain-lain na lang lugar, lain-lain na region, lain-lain pa na mga characteristics sa tao. So, this important to na subgroup na lang sila para maka-manipulate ang klaro.
Cluster.
Kasi, okay. Oo, itong statistics, di ba? Cluster, multi-cluster. For example, kung ano, chapter 4, dahil chapter 5. Chapter 5, yung mga sampling techniques. Then ang examples, high school grade level divided into 4 categories, age of students, and if participants are all 15 and 16 years old, assign equal number of 14 years old and 16 years old to experimental group and control. So, kita dyan yung nakikita dyan kayo ang brand equality mo para di bias, bias.
Kasi ng 4 15 to 16, na yung mga group sa mag-club, which is na 15 to 16, sa iya kung kuhan, sa experimental na 15 to 16,
Dapat equal number of
So next would be manipulating treatment condition.
So manipulating treatment and condition. First, we have to identify the treatment variable. Second, we have to identify the conditions or levels of the treatment variable. Next is we have to manipulate the conditions. So kanina, important kayo nga ma-identify na ang treatment variables. So, for example, diba, ang treatment variable kay Marag gusto mahulog po ng intervention, di ba? So, example natin, specific research na studihan. Dapat kabulo po ito ma-identify nga kung sa ang need ni intervention natin. Alam nga po, takaratag intervention dira. Wala, agapon, wala lang kaga-research. Then lastly, as a researcher, di ba na ito study nga, discuss, I think in chapter 4 or 3 or 4 nga, researcher can manipulate. So as a researcher, baka manipulate po sa itong treatment variable. Ulit mo manipulate, hindi kayo perfect, kasi kaya na so perfect kayo. Then, gets na to. So next is manipulating treatment condition, the treatment variables. What the researcher manipulate to determine effect and the outcome. Nakuha na to ganila na to. Typically categorical levels. So type of instruction, small group or large group. Type of reading group, phonics or whole language. Type of intervention, standard to standard plus health standard. So kanina po yung by level, categorical level po ang treatment conditions. Depende rin na nato sa atong research kung sa atong gamito. Next is intervention. Researcher physically intervenes with or manipulates one or more condition, correct? Individuals who experience something in different experimental condition than the control condition, and in an experiment need to be able to manipulate at least one condition. So need kayo na mag-manipulate yung isang condition kayo para ma-met na to. Natin ma-met na, I think standard or ma-met na to ang outcome na ganahan ta in experimental kay sa quantity hindi mo natuturo mo lilahi mang guduguan may perspective listen siya i-manipulate
Kung pwede experiment man, pwede niyo
pwede niyo mo makuha ng intervention then makita sa kwan their independent variables, age, gender, types of instruction, lecture plus hazard discussion, lecture plus hazard discussion plus side of damage lungs, and independent variable frequency of smoking. So, di naman siya ang may further discuss is very understandable naman. Then, outcome is dependent variable, also called response, criterion, or post-test. We assumed effect of treatment variable need to be responsive and valid measure. Example sa is the achievement test score, aptitude test scores, mental health assessment scores. Okay, as a student, nakaagi naman tayo ng achievement test score. Aptitude, kato sa NORS o APCAT. Aptitude, diba? Ay, kato sa scholastic. Scholastic na to.
Ano na?
Take matagsat.
Asat? Katulong
Sa edu. Then, group discussion, group comparison, process of research obtaining score for individuals or groups on independent variable. Need gaya na itong magpuan kanang data from sa pagduhatong group, need na itong magpuan data ani kay para mabala na itong outcome. The differences or say, pwedeng may mga effects sa intervention. Then, compare the means and variance both within the group and between the groups. Sa group comparison, I think magamit mo tayo statistical tools, di ba? May statistical tools na applicable. Pwede ito tanan na rayban, pilit. Then, figure 10.4, tanaw ninyo please. Then, Makita na to sa phase 1 relationship pictures na error correction treatment and spelling accuracy. Then phase 2 timeline picture in class A regular spelling practice control, and class B reduce word list comparison, and class C error corrections or experimental. In the spelling accuracy, hindi ka ninyo makita test 1, test 2, test 3. Nilagi apply to intervention. Then next, same report sa class 3, statistical comparison. Puro din gamit na tao ko ang statistical instruments. Na-evaluate naman na itong F-value sa test 1, test 2, and test 3. Then, next is threats to validity. Specific reason for why we can be wrong when we make an inference in an experiment. So, sakto. As a researcher, di good perfect kanunay. Nagoy mga
Alam, wala ka ni-perfect. Sa mo talaga yung experiment.
Trial and error, balik-balik nila.
Error ko ng experiment.
Example ng statistical conclusion, validity, construct validity, internal validity, external validity. Then, threats to validity, threats to internal validity. Internal validity, the observed changes that took place are a result of your intervention of your program are not the result of the other process. Example of this is history, maturation, regression, selection, mortality, interactions with selection, diffusion of treatments, compensatory equalization, compensation, rival, pre-recental demonstration, testing, and instrumentation. So next is then we also have external validity, the degree of which the findings are generalizable to other persons, setting, treatment variables, and measure. Example of these are the interaction of selection and treatment, interaction of setting and treatment, interaction of history and treatment. So, what are the types of experimental design? There are between group design and within group or individual design. Sa between group under ANA is a pre-experiment. Through experiments, there are pre and post-test and post-test only. Depende. Quasi-experiments, pre and post-test only. Murag ang quasi-experiment ang very common. Then casual comparative research, factorial designs, and within group or individual design, dili na itong kita time series, interactive or equivalent, repeated measure, subject, single subject. So, intervention. Next is to be discussed by you. RPG.
So we have here table 10.3, which is the types of between group designs. We have the true experimental design, the pre-test and post-test. Please try to see in your handouts. So we have here the random assignment for the control group and the random assignment for the experimental group. For the time is the pre-test. Both pre-test, then no experiment, and no treatment, So let's proceed to the table 10.3, which is the types of between group designs. Ito siya mo siya. Ingon na ito dahil yung katulong experiment, was time. So we have the examples na here. Kung yun sa ito siya ang katulong design. So try to see for the two example design. We have the pre and post-test design. We have to select random assignment for control group and the experimental group. The time for this is both pre-test. For the control group, we have no treatment. Then for the experimental group, we have of course the experimental treatment. Then after that one is the post-test. Then for the post-test, only design. Control group, no treatment. Then post-test. Then experimental group, experimental treatment. Then post-test. Next is the quasi. The next table was the experimental design. We have the pre and post-test design. So we have the select control group and we have to select the experimental group. So both, of course, is still pre-test. Then we have the intervention, which is no treatment for the select control group. Then for the experimental group, we have the experimental treatment, which is the post. The next after that one is the post-test. Then the post-test only design. Select group, which is just true experiment quasi, which is very similar sa ilaha. Ang kalayan ra kaysa random siya ang sa quasi select and control. The next is Then we have here another example, the true experimental design for pretest and post-test design. So select group A and select group B through pretest. For the time, you have the grouping variable of interest, example mo intervention. Then the grouping variable of interest, where siya ang the receipt of intervention. Then post-test, then pre and post-test design, select group A. Tapos priority siya o panang flow. Mag-select ka, pre-test, katong na intervention, katong wala, tapos post-test dayon. Next is between group assessment. When we say through experiments, two random assignment, two or more groups are compared. So one or more intervention. So dito siya, okay, since we are dealing with two or more groups man, so dito siya, one or two ang intervention are for us to have a ganahan ka nga mas
Really biased ako.
then typical control includes pretest, matching, blocking, and variance at the discuss kayo. So most threats to internal validity is minimized. So for the quasi-experiments, no random assignment, two or more groups compared, one or more intervention, dependent variable measured is once, parehara sa one. Through the typical controls includes pretest, matching, kaya ito ganihan din. Ang iya sa quasi is greater threats to internal validity. Kung sa experimental gamay, nang-minimize lang internal validity, there is na quasi, dako ang iya ang threat for internal validity. Next is the casual comparative research to see no random assignment, two or more groups compared, one or more intervention, dependent variable is measured once, typical controls includes matching, blocking, and coverage, then more potential threats to validity, to internal validity. Next would be the factorial design. We have already go to for the figure 10.6 graph sa interaction effects at the letter C not parallel. Ngayon na siya mataas na siya ang standard lecture while health lecture is from taas na paubos na siya.
So now we're gonna talk about within group or individual design time series. So the time series experiment, interrupted time series, and also complement time series. So in the repeated measure experiment, it is like the order is to measure treatment number 1, measure again, treatment number 2, and measure like balik-balik lang siya. So in the table 10.5 time series experimental design, this is the illustration about the interrupted time series design, which is time selected participant for group, and then the pretest measure of observation, pretest measure of observation, pretest of like paano siya gasunod na parehas na siya, intervention, post-test measure of observation din, so like same lang yung siya, like kabalik-balik na sa interrupted time process. So in the equivalent time series design, selected participant for group, measure or observation, intervention, measure of observation, intervention, then measure of observation, like
Alternate
ano siya ba?
kung mas na-interrupted ay masunod niya tanan nga pretest that's the intervention process sa iyang equivalent kay alternate niya i-pretest ka, intervention ka, ni-measure lang ito ka, observation, intervention ka, observation ka sa iyang cycle na siya.
So now within the group or individual design repeated measure, no random assignment, single group design, two or more intervention, dependent variable measure after each intervention. Typical control includes coverage, most threats to internal validity measurements, like is the same as what Ms. Karsha said. So next would be this is the illustration of the repeated measure design. So in the repeated is like selecting participant for group, measure or observe, experiment treatment 1, measure of observation, experimental treatment number 2, measure of observation.
Naglahi, alternate siya, pero naglahi siya sa iyahang treatment. So there are different kinds of treatment. Unlike sa isa, dali siya ka-equivalent or same ra iya ang intervention. Wala siya yun nga yung specific tayo siya differs.
Depends sa bilang ang treatment ang imong.
Ang equivalent of repeated, ang yung difference is that sa equivalent same intervention but in repeated, there are different kinds or more interventions on
Next will be within group or individual design single subject design. So, use within a planned intervention. So, nakaplano na ang intervention. Entra participant research, rotation A, baseline phase, and B, behavior under intervention, C, etc. So, target behavior outcomes. Analysis focus on whether behavior change from the target to the intervention. So, like, focus on the behavior that change pa siya after intervention. So, target collection sheet, situational information, performance, or summary of behavior. And outcome will be magnitude of effect of intervention and target. Within group or individual design single subject design, AB design observe and measure behavior during the trial period A. Administer intervention and observe and measure the behavior during the intervention. So, from the period A, observe or measure the behavior during the trial. From the